Okay, so now we got example 3, which is be 1, 2, 3x plus 7 equals, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but they're negative. So this will be what? Negative 8, so equals negative 8. So let's see if we can draw it out here. That's what you do when you want to reset everything. Press polypad, launch polypad, and then you start drawing everything out. Here we go. 3x, 1, 2, 3, plus 7, copy, 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 there's my 6, and then one more, 7, equals negative 8. So I'm going to come over here. No. Let's delete that bad boy. Here we go. And then let's delete you too. What was I going to do? Let's delete this guy. Fun. We're going to grab you. We're going to make a copy. Bring you. Okay. So, okay. I'll get this done, guys. I'll get it done. Should be 7. Over here, here, and it's good. We're good there. And I'm not doing these videos over and over again. I just don't have that kind of time. There's my 7. I need one more. Okay. And that probably happened to you too while you're doing this. But it's not 8, by the way. Remember, it was what? Negative 8. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to negate these guys. Bam, negative 8. So let's do the math now. What's our first step here? I want to get rid of these guys, right? So there you go. Thank you. But I got to do the opposite. Negate it. What I do to one side, I got to do the other. Notice they're all the same over here. So when I move this guy up, everything's going to do what? 0 pair out. It's going to cancel. But over here, nothing cancels because they're the same, right? They're not opposite, so they're not 0 pairs. So over here, I'm going to have negative, what, 18 or something like that, and 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, negative 15. So I got 3x equals to negative 15. I'm going to do the work over here. So these guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And these guys are negative, so they're actually red also, right? So I'm going to make them red. Everything but is red. They're not opposites at all, okay? And so these guys are yellow, right? These guys are yellow, according to my drawing. And let's see if I can make this guy yellow. Yellow. All right, I like using colors. Kids learn better with colors. So all of this would cancel out, leaving me with that 3x equals to that negative 15. So I got 3x equals to negative 15. And then again, I'm going to write this again symbolically. So over here, then, I'm going to divide. So here we go. So let's get rid of all that. And I want to divide this negative 15 evenly with that 3x. Okay, so you're going to get 1. You over here, you guys are going to hang out over here on this side. It's all jumbled up out here a little bit. So let me see here. For sure, I think everybody gets 4, right? Let's move you guys back. Okay. So far, I got everybody getting 4 for sure. So y'all get 4. Look, everybody gets what? 5. But it's not 5, it's what? Negative 5. Okay. So over here, I've done the same thing. I would have drawn my x's. Here it had been like this. All right, the little line, that's my x inside. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're good. You 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're good. You 3. 1, 2, 3. And x equals 2. That negative 5. So I get x equals 2. That negative 5. Ta-da! So over here, I'm going to go ahead and erase all this stuff, see if it lets me. I'm going to say, yeah, get rid of all that writing. And then we're going to do it with the way that eventually you're going to be doing all this stuff. 1, 2, 3. 3x plus 7 equals to negative 8, which is all this right here. minus 7 on both sides. That part canceled. We did that earlier over here. So I was up to 3x. Here's where the mistakes are made by the students. Over here, we realized that it was just negative 15. You always refer back to your tiles. This is not positive 15. It's not positive 42. This is negative 8 minus 7. This is negative 15. This is the part my kids struggle in, right here. But when I bring out the pictorial models, when I bring out the tiles, we don't make those kind of mistakes. So here, I already know because I used the tiles that it was negative 15 by all the moves I'm doing. So refer back, rewind the video if you need to. It was negative 15. So when I have students that are like, sir, I got 42, and how come it's not positive 15? And hey, just go back and look at your steps with the tiles. And we can fix all that. So I don't have these mistakes being made all the time. So divide by 3. Negative 15 divided by 3, we know is now negative what? 5, because we got that negative 15 separated into 3 equal groups. So this means what? Negative 15 into 3 equal groups. That's what division means. There's negative 15 cut into 3 equal groups, which means each group gets negative 5. And that's how we get that negative 5. Other rules that kick in. A negative divided by a positive is negative. Some teachers do this. A negative divided by a positive, what's left is that negative. Little things like that. All this stuff is a symbolic part, right? So we got x is negative 5. But you can always refer back to the picture, or you can always refer back to your tiles in order to help yourself get the correct answer and solve for a variable. But definitely incorporate the CPA model. Use the tiles, and this part becomes super easy forever and ever and ever.